Hi guys, for today's video, I'm gonna be taking our practical exam on empowerment technologies for the first quarter, which is a typing skills test. For this practical exam, we were instructed to use Aesop's fables, and we should get at least 30 words per minute with 90% accuracy in 2 minutes. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So to wrap it all up, I got 34 words per minute with 98% accuracy, and it's better than what I expected. Yes. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell. Bye. Keep safe everyone.